Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. So if you want to log in Monopoly Go account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Monopoly Go application. And after opening it, now what you can do is just simply tap on I agree. And after tapping on I agree, now if you have already created an account, then what you can do is just simply tap on play with friends and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you can just simply tap on continue with your Facebook account, and then you just have to tap on OK and then tap on load account. And after tapping on that, here you can see guys, you have successfully logged into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Monopoly Go account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.